In the last lecture, we had learned the effect of substituent on further substitution. So in that, we had learned the ring ring activating group. So you know that if electron releasing group are there, let me show you the example of electron releasing group. So this is your benzene, and we are attaching this OH. That carbon attacks takes place from that carbon when electron donating group is there. So this is your ortho carbon, and this is your para carbon. So when electron donating group is there, you are getting two types of product, that is ortho substituted and para substituted. Okay, so among these two, para one is most stable because this in para there is no steric hindrance is there, while in ortho due to steric hindrance it is a minor product. So the groups like this hydroxy group, alkoxy group, amino group, substituted amino group, thiol, ethyl, methyl, propyl, then these different halides, the ester and amide which is substituted with oxygen and nitrogen are electron donating group, and this group increases the electron density on a ring. That's why these groups are called as electron ring activating group. That's why this group is called as ring activating group, because it having unshared pair of electron, that unshared pair of electron delocalizes in a ring by inductive effect or a resonance effect. Hence it increases the electron density on a ring. It activates that ring towards the further substitution. That's why this group is called as ring activating group, and that ring is called as activated ring. That ring is called as activated ring. So students, today I am going to teach you the deactivated aromatic ring. So in the last lecture we had learned the activated aromatic ring. Today we are going to aromatic. So this nitro group is electron withdrawing group. O, that is C, H, then you are carboxylic acid group, O, H, you can simply OH, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, all having carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-nitrogen double bond. That's why they are called as unsaturated, because it having double bond. Then your ester, carbonyl group directly attached to ring. Then your then triple bond N. So you have to one double bond is there. This is your C triple bond structure. Okay, C triple bond N, SO3H group, minus R and minus I effect, okay. So okay, now we'll draw the resonating structure, okay, and from that resonating structure we'll understand how this group act as a ring deactivating group, okay. So instead of drawing a resonating structure of all this group, okay, all this substituted this functional group, will only draw the resonating structure for nitrobenzene, okay, and the rest of the resonating structure for this COR, NH, COHR all are same. Okay, so for general example we'll draw only one, that is for nitrobenzene. Okay, so this is your this is the benzene, oxygen having now negative charge. Okay, and there is a positive charge on nitrogen because valency is exceeded. Normally the nitrogen having only 3 bond, so here the nitrogen having 4 bond. The normally नायट्रोजनला 3च बॉन्ड असतात, कारण की त्याची व्हॅलेन्सी 3 आहे, लास्ट शेल मध्ये 3च इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात, बरोबर. याची व्हॅलेन्सी 4 झाली, एक कार्बन नायट्रोजन 2, हा 1 आणि हा 1, 4 झाले, म्हणून आपण पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज घेतो. ठीक आहे, त्याच्यावर लोन पेअर यूज झाली बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन मध्ये, म्हणून आपण ते पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज लिहितो. ठीक आहे, so this is your nitrobenzene, this is your what, nitrobenzene. Okay, so let me structure to name. Okay, you will get the name, structure to name, nitrobenzene. Now this NO2 group is your, it's a electron withdrawing group, it withdraws electron from the ring. Okay, so let me show you that how it withdraws electron from the ring. Okay, so this NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, so this double bond will delocalize here. Okay, it withdraws electron from the ring, it withdraws what, electron from the ring, so double bond will delocalize here, and this double bond will break and the bond pair shift on this oxygen, so there is a negative charge on oxygen in the next resonating structure, and this carbon loses its electron when this double bond shifted. Okay, you know that this carbon double bond, it is formed by the sharing of electron, it's a covalent bond, so one electron shared by this carbon and one electron shared by this carbon. Okay, so when this bond breaks, this carbon loses its electron, that's why there is a positive charge in the next resonating structure. So let me draw the next resonating structure. So in the next resonating structure, this only carbon nitrogen single bond metacarbon. Okay, metacarbon are electron rich center as compared to ortho and paracarbon when these electron withdrawing groups are there. Okay, now when you do the electrophilic substitution reaction of this ring deactivated compound, okay, you will get the substitution product on metacarbon, you will get the only one product, that is meta substituted. Okay, so as compared to ring activating group, the time required, okay, these rings are deactivated, it means that it require more time, or you have to do the drastic condition to proceed the reaction. Okay, and when this type of compound undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, you are getting only one product, that is meta substituted product. Okay, so what you have to do, तुम्हाला काय करायचं, फक्त जर तुम्हाला हा असा ग्रुप दिसला NO2 aldehyde, instead of this R any ethyl methyl propyl group is there, if this groups are joined to this this benzene ring. Okay, so you have to write only one product, तुम्हाला एकच प्रोडक्ट लिहायचं आहे, बरोबर, that is meta substituted. तुमची ती whether that reaction is your nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation, if this electron withdrawing groups are there or ring deactivating groups are there, that time you are getting only one product, that is meta substituted product. Okay, so this electron withdrawing groups are attached to the ring, then the electrons are taken away from the ring due to the resonance and inductive effect. Hence the electron density on the ring is reduced and it gets deactivated towards the electrophilic reagent. Okay, so suppose two compounds are there, nitrobenzene and phenol. Okay, out of these two, which one will goes easily under electrophilic substitution reaction? Give me the answer of this question. If the two compounds are there, दोन कंपाउंड असतील, एक तुमचा नायट्रोबेन्झीन असेल आणि एक फिनॉल असेल. ठीक आहे. सो आउट ऑफ दिस टू विच वन विल गो फास्टर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक aromatic substitution reaction? Phenol. Very good. Phenol will undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution because what your OH is electron donating group, so your phenol or the compound that having Ric activating groups, they are easily undergo or they are easily undergoes or fasterly undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction than the group that than the compound that having electron withdrawing group, because they are deactivating the ring. Electron withdrawing group, they are deactivating the ring towards the further substitution, while the if electron donating group is there, that increases the electron density and it activates that ring towards the further substitution. ठीक है. So you know that this electron withdrawing group are there, you know that the electrons are taken away from the ring due to resonance and inductive effect. Hence the electron density on the ring is reduced and it gets deactivated towards electrophilic reagent. These are unsaturated group, shows electron withdrawing resonance effect and electron withdrawing inductive effect. Okay, for example, the electron withdrawing groups are nitro group, ketone group, then aldehyde, carboxylic acid, ester which is attached directly to carbonyl group, amide which is directly attached to carbonyl group, nitrile. These are all electron withdrawing group. So and these all electron withdrawing groups are meta directing group. These all groups are what? Meta directing group. It direct the incoming electrophile on meta position. This nitro group, it acts as your traffic police. It acts as a traffic police and it tells the incoming electrophile you have to join on meta carbon. हा काय काम करतो तुमचा ट्रॅफिक पोलिस नायट्रो ग्रुप. बरोबर. हा काय सांगतो, इलेक्ट्रोफाईल इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफाईल असेल दॅट मे बी युअर NO2 सल्फर ट्रायऑक्साइड, that may be chloronium ion, bromonium ion, iodinium ion. It may be your methyl your alkyl carbocation, or it may be acylium ion. Okay, it tells that you join on metacarbon. You join on metacarbon when this electron withdrawing groups are there. Okay, so this is the role of this nitro group. It directs the incoming electrophile. Okay, it directs the incoming electrophile. So these all electron withdrawing groups are meta directing group. So if this substituent like this NO2, COH, this type of groups are present on the ring, then the next incoming group will be mainly directed to meta position. It will be what? Mainly directed to meta position. Thus only one isomer you will get. So the meta isomer, it is the main product of substitution. Okay, and these groups are unsaturated. NO2, CHO, CO are all having carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-nitrogen double bond, or carbon-oxygen double bond, or carbon-nitrogen double bond. These all are unsaturated. Okay, so in addition to this, the positively charged compound, like in addition to this, the positively charged compound NCH NH3 and positive charge on nitrogen. Okay, now this group no longer it acts as a electron donating group because it already lose its lone pair and there is a positive charge on nitrogen. So no lone pair is available to donate the that to give the lone pair in the ring. So it means that this group act as a ring deactivating group. It means that what this group act as a ring deactivating group, and it directs the incoming electrophile on meta position. Same for this NCH3 NCH3. ठीक है. So in case of meta directing group, due to the electron withdrawing resonance effect, that is minus R, the ortho para position get fractional positive charge. Okay, so there is a fractional positive charge on this ortho and para position, thus they become relatively more electron deficient. So this is what, this is more electron deficient. Ortho para carbon are more electron deficient, thus meta does not get any fractional charge. So on meta carbon there is what, no fractional charge, hence it is relatively higher electron density center. This carbon acts as a relatively higher electron density center than ortho and para. Thus the incoming electrophile will be avoid the electron deficient center ortho para position, and it prefer to attack by meta position and has relatively slightly higher electron density than ortho and para. Therefore meta isomer is mainly formed when electron withdrawing groups are there. Therefore meta isomer are mainly formed when electron withdrawing groups are there. Okay, so it should be noted that the group which have electron withdrawing inductive effect minus R causes overall decrease in the electron density on the ring, thus it causes deactivation of the ring. And similarly the group which will have electron donating group, that is plus I effect, it causes overall increase in the electron density on the ring, thus it you can say that this plus R group, okay, it increases the electron density, while minus I, sorry, it's a minus I and minus I and plus I. So if minus I is there, it decreases the electron density on a ring. If plus I is there, it increases the electron density on a ring. Or you can say that minus I deactivates the ring, plus I activates the ring. Okay. Now let's take an example. Okay, I will draw the one reaction, and you have to predict the product. What you have to predict the product. ठीक है, to predict the product. समजलं का रे? हॅलो रे मुलांनो, समजलं ना? So HNO3 we have to react of H2 lower CN is there, ठीक है, and C3OH in presence of SO4. Now send me the product. कोण इकडं मधले बॉन्ड विसरला? आदित्य, आदित्य दडवी, मधले बॉन्ड कुठे गेले? डबल बॉन्ड पण गायब होतात काय? द रोल ऑफ दिस HNO3 इट ऍक्ट एज अ नायट्रेटिंग एजंट. तो डिहायड्रोजनेशन रिॲक्शन नाही ती, बरोबर, इट्स अ नायट्रेशन रिॲक्शन. तो ने नायट्रेशन पण केलंय आणि यू आर रिड्युसिंग द रिंग, यू आर रिड्युसिंग डबल बॉन्ड. ठीक आहे, तर डबल बॉन्ड काढायचे. डबल बॉन्ड खूप महत्वाचे असतात. ठीक आहे, आता याचं पाप सेंड करा मला, तो सेंड करा. ऐश्वर्या, व्हेरी गुड. ऐश्वर्या लवकर सेंड केला.
3-methyl benzene nitrate.
कोणी? श्रुतिका आपलं थोडं चुकलंय. श्रुतिका, ठीक आहे. द रोल ऑफ दिस, can you identify the reaction? First identify reaction. Friedel-Crafts. Acylation or alkylation?
Alkylation.
Alkylation. Okay, so in alkylation what alkyl group will add. ठीक है, so just your अल्कायलेशन रिॲक्शन आहे म्हणजे तुमचा अल्कायल ग्रुप ॲड होणार, बरोबर. सो दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप CH3 ग्रुप विल ॲड ऑन मेटा पोजिशन. CH3 बरोबर, जमतंय का? बरोबर आहे ना?
Yes.
ओके. Acetyl chloride and CHO, and on metacarbon there is your what? Acetyl group CH3. ठीक है, CH3. भरपूर प्रोडक्शन करायला लागलं आता.
तर याचं एकदा IUPAC नेम सांगाल
कशाचं?
आत्ताच्या प्रोडक्टचं.
ह्याचं का? तर नेम आहे 3-acetyl benzaldehyde. So this is your benzaldehyde. On 3 carbon there is acetyl group is there, so 3-acetyl benzaldehyde. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, very good. Okay, now you have any doubt regarding this deactivated aromatic rings? काय समजलं नाही असं काय? Any doubt regarding this deactivated aromatic ring on this topic? Yes or no? सगळ्यांना समजलं का रे? काय अडचण आहे का या टॉपिक वरती? No ना? So student will move towards the another topic. ठीक है, that is your application of this Friedel-Crafts application of this electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay, so in application we are going to learn two reaction. Okay, that is Rimmer-Timon reaction and Willsmer-Hack reaction. Rimmer-Timon reaction and Willsmer reaction. So Rimmer, let me do Rimmer-Timon reaction. ठीक है, this is your first reaction, Rimmer-Timon reaction, and the second one is Willsmer-Hack reaction. This is your activated aromatic ring, reaction of activated aromatic ring in presence of KOH, chloroform CH, chloroform, KOH and chloroform. The formylation of the ring takes place. What takes place? The formylation of the ring takes place. You are getting two products in formylation. this CHO group is called as formyl group. Okay, formylation of the ring takes place. This reaction is called as Rimmer-Timmer reaction, and this is the example of that. Your activated aromatic ring. So this OH is a ring activating group. Instead of this instead of this OH, other ring activating groups also there. That is NH2, CH3, then thiol. Okay, so the reaction, when you react ring activated compound, aromatic ring activating aromatic compound in presence of KOH and chloroform, potassium hydroxide, and CaCl3 chloroform, the formylation of the ring takes place. This reaction is called as Rimmer-Timmer reaction. This reaction is called as Rimmer-Timmer reaction. And another reaction is another reaction is what? Willsmer-Hack reaction. So the reaction of activated aromatic compound in presence of POCl3. Okay, so here in this reaction also the formylation of the ring takes place, and you will get this formylated product. This reaction is called as Willsmer-Hack reaction. This reaction is also called as Willsmer-Hack reaction. Reaction of activated aromatic compound in presence of DMF and POCl3. So the use of this reagent, this KOH and CaCl3, it is your formylating reagent. Here DMF and POCl3, this is also formylating reagent, but the name of the reaction is different. Both the reaction you are getting the same product, but the name of the reaction and the reagent is different. Okay, so the reaction in which the DMF and POCl3 is used as a reagent for formylation, it is called as Willsmer-Hack reaction, and the reaction in which KOH and CHCl3, potassium hydroxide, and your chloroform is used as a formylating reagent, that reaction is called as Rimmer-Timmer reaction. That reaction is called as Rimmer-Timmer reaction. Okay, so this is about these two reactions. So in your syllabus only you are having the statement and the example of this reaction. So this is the reaction and statement I already told you. Okay, and now student any doubt regarding this? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll see.
Sir,
Yes,
so what is DMF?
DMF means dimethyl formamide. Alkylation. Drawbacks of Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation reaction. Now the drawbacks are, suppose let me,
Sir,
yes,
Rimmer and Willsmer are both the same reaction, no?
both are same reaction. In the both reaction the formylation takes place, but the reagent is different, and both the scientists are also different. सेम रिएक्शन, प्रोडक्ट सेम मिलेगा हमें. ठीक है, ये हमने तुम लोगों के समझने के लिए, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस OH अदर ring activating group also there. Okay, they are different but the product of this reaction are same.
Okay, sir.
ठीक आहे, तर तुमचा रिएजंट वेगळा आहे, इथं तुमचा रिएजंट वेगळा आहे, याचं नाव वेगळं आहे, याचं नाव वेगळं आहे. दोघांमध्ये प्रोडक्ट तुम्हाला सेम भेटतोय बरोबर, पण तर रिएजंट बघा, याच्यामध्ये DMF वापरला त्यांनी, POCl3, याच्यामध्ये KOH आणि CaCl3 वापरला बरोबर, आणि याचं रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम पण वेगळं आहे. रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम, ते रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम तुम्हाला शिकवलं नाही मी बरोबर. तर रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम पण वेगळं असणार, त्याचं फर्स्ट स्टेप त्याची वेगळी असणार, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफाईल वेगळे असणार बरोबर, कारण की दोघं रिएजंट वेगळे आहेत ना. मग दोन वेगळ्या वे किंवा दोघं रस्त्याने जातील, तुमचा दोघांचा रस्ता वेगळा असेल पण प्रोडक्ट मिळणार एकच. प्रोडक्ट मिळणार काय एकच. फॉर्मॅलेशन रिंगचं होणार. ठीक आहे. सो कन्सिडर यू आर डूइंग Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Which reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So what is the reagent for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Can you tell me? Suppose I want to do the
alkyl halide.
Alkyl halide. Very good. Alkyl halide. So alkyl halide we have methyl. Yeah, very good. Anhydrous AlCl3. ठीक है. And tell me the product. Tell me the name. Toluene. You will get methyl benzene or toluene. So polyalkylation of this ring takes place. Okay, and you will get polyalkylated product. You will get what? Polyalkylated product. जर तुम्हाला मिथाइल बेन्झीन पाहिजे असेल तर मिथाइल बेन्झीन तुम्हाला भेटणार नाही. ठीक आहे. तुम्हाला बेन्झीनचं टॉल्युइनमध्ये कन्वर्जन करायचं, बरोबर, फ्रॉम बेन्झीन, बट यू आर गेटिंग polyalkylated product. This is the drawback of this Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts what? Alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. ठीक है. Did you understand this? You are getting polyalkylated product. तुम्हाला बेन्झीन पासून टॉल्युइन पाहिजे, पण काय होतं माहिती आहे का, दिस हार्ट मिथाइल ग्रुप, इट इज अ रिंग ॲक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप. दिस toluene is more activated towards further substitution than the benzene itself. So the reaction of this toluene and this methyl bromide and this AlCl takes place, and you will get this polyalkylated product. You will get what? Polyalkylated product. So this is the one drawback, major drawback of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Major drawback of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. तुम्ही विचार केला, सर मला टॉल्युइन बनवायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. तर मी तुम्हाला बेन्झीन देईल, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड आणि AlCl देईल. ठीक आहे. मग तुम्ही रिॲक्शन केली, नंतर तुम्ही कॅरेक्टरायझेशन केलं, तर तुम्हाला वेगवेगळे प्रोडक्ट मिळत आहेत, बरोबर. तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट हा मिळणार नाही. तुम्हाला विथ दिस यू विल गेट द मिक्सचर ऑफ दिस पॉलीअल्कायलेटेड प्रोडक्ट. यू विल गेट व्हॉट? पॉलीअल्कायलेटेड प्रोडक्ट. ठीक आहे.
सर मिथिल ग्रुप ऍक्टिवेटिंग आहे, म्हणजे तो रिंगला ऍक्टिवेट करतो.
हो.
तर मग तो ऑर्थोपॅरा डायरेक्टिंग असला पाहिजे ना?
हो, बरोबर.
मेटा प्रोडक्ट कसं?
हा, व्हेरी गुड. सो व्हॉट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रेझेन्स ऑफ माइंड. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हॉट? प्रेझेन्स ऑफ माइंड. लक्ष पाहिजे तुमचा. ठीक आहे. सो यू आर गेटिंग ऑर्थोपॅरा प्रोडक्ट, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग मेटा प्रोडक्ट. ठीक आहे. व्हेरी गुड. Alkylated product. It's a ring activating group, and the role of this ring activating group is that it activates the ring toward the further substitution. Okay, and this methyl group, it is ring activating, and it is a orthopara directing group. It is what? Orthopara directing group. So this methyl group act as orthopara directing group, and you are getting what? This polysubstituted product. You will get polysubstituted product. ठीक है. Now second, this is the one drawback of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now we'll see the drawback of acylation.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
और नहीं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है। Okay, now you write down the product. Okay, after that I will tell you what is the drawback of this Fidelcraft acylation. ठीक है, you write down the product and send it on my WhatsApp number. Within 1 minute you have to write down the product. Very good. मिश्रण केलंय ऐश्वर्या. Very good. Okay, so but this is your the name of this reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So you are writing the acylation of the ring. Okay, so this is your acylating reagent in presence of AlCl3. So what happens? The reaction does not takes place here. The reaction does not takes place because this reaction does not take place because this formyl, it decomposes into HCl and CO. It decomposes into HCl and CO. It's an unstable reagent. It decomposes into H2SO4 in presence of H2SO4 H plus. ठीक है, so we'll get this one is the primary carbocation and another is a secondary carbocation. Alcohol. ठीक है, 1 propanol. Okay, so in 1 propanol also this propanol react with H2SO4. We'll get two different types of carbocation. Primary and secondary. This will react with the ring. We'll get this product. Okay, that product again react with this carbocation, primary and secondary. Okay, and you are getting polyalkylation of the product. You will get what? Polyalkylation. So let me draw the तुम्हाला असे पॉली अल्काइल प्रोडक्ट भेटतात. ठीक आहे, फॉरगेट वर्ड पॉली अल्काइल प्रोडक्ट. So this is the drawback of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. ठीक है. And another drawback is the aromatic compound containing meta-directing group. Aromatic compound containing meta-directing groups. Consider this example. हे समजलं का रे तुम्हाला? हॅलो हॅलो. अल्कोहोल आहे, ठीक आहे. हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऍसिड, विल गेट दिस कार्बोकटायन. हा तुम्हाला कार्बोकटायन भेटेल बरोबर. प्रायमरी तुमचं एक्सपेक्टेड काय आहे की हा भेटायला पाहिजे बरोबर, हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर. ठीक आहे, हा भेटायला पाहिजे आणि हा भेटल्यानंतर तुम्हाला हा एकच प्रोडक्ट मिळायला पाहिजे, हा एकच बरोबर. समजलं इथपर्यंत? हां, पण काय होतं याचं, हां काय होतं याचं कार्बोकटायनचं रिअरेंजमेंट होतं. कार्बोकटायनचं रिअरेंजमेंट. हा तुमच्या इथे 2 हायड्रोजन आहे, मी इथं एकच काढतो बरोबर तुमच्या समजण्यासाठी. इथं तुमचा एक हायड्रोजन आहे, 2 हायड्रोजन पण आपण एकच काढूया. हा तुमचा प्रायमरी कार्बोकटायन आहे आणि प्रायमरी कार्बोकटायन लेस स्टेबल आहे बरोबर. प्रायमरी कार्बोकटायन लेस स्टेबल आहे म्हणून त्याचं रिअरेंजमेंट होतं. हा हायड्रोजन इकडे जाईल आणि पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज ह्या कार्बनवर शिफ्ट होईल आणि म्हणून तुम्हाला हा कार्बोकटायन भेटेल. म्हणून तुम्हाला हा कार्बोकटायन ते इंटरनली होणार स्टॅबिलायझेशन. जो तुमचा मोस्ट स्टेबल आहे ते इंटरनली स्टेबल करतात. ते प्रायमरी इज लेस स्टेबल and secondary is more stable. So the rearrangement of this carbocation takes place. What? Rearrangement of this carbocation takes place. Primary carbocation rearranges to secondary one. Okay. आणि हा तुमचा सेकंडरी कार्बोकटायनचा हा प्रोडक्ट आहे हा बरोबर. म्हणून तुम्हाला 2 प्रोडक्ट मिळतात. हा तुमचा प्रायमरीचा आहे पण त्याची इंटरनल, हा तुम्हाला इंटरमिडिएट भेटला, लगेच त्याचं रिअरेंजमेंट होतं. लगेच झाला की तुम्हाला हा भेटतो आणि हा मोस्ट स्टेबल आहे म्हणून लगेच याचं रिॲक्शन होतं, तुम्हाला 2 प्रोडक्ट भेटतात बरोबर. काही तुम्हाला ह्याच्यासोबत रिॲक्शन असणार आणि काही याच्यासोबत, म्हणून तुम्हाला मिक्सचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट भेटतं बरोबर. हा तुम्हाला मिळाला. तुमचा हा प्रोडक्ट मोर ॲक्टिवेटेड आहे दॅन युअर बेन्झिन इटसेल्फ. तुमचा प्रोडक्ट रिॲक्टंटपेक्षा जास्त ॲक्टिवेटेड आहे म्हणून परत ह्यांची रिॲक्शन परत ह्या दोघांसोबत होते. यांची रिॲक्शन या दोघं इंटरमिडिएट सोबत होते आणि तुम्हाला परत हे प्रोडक्ट मिळतात, पॉली अल्कायलेशन. कळलं?
ओके सर.
हां
येस सर.
ओके. तर आपण हे पण समजलं तुम्हाला की तुमचा डिॲक्टिव्ड ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग किंवा मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप फ्रिडल-क्राफ्ट अल्कायलेशन रिॲक्शन देत नाही बरोबर, कारण की त्याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफाईल तुमचा लेस रिॲक्टिव्ह असतो. आणि जर दुसरी इलेक्ट्रोफाईल असतील सच ॲज युअर NO2 SO3 and your positive halogen such as fluoronium ion, bromonium ion, they undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction even if the ring is deactivated. त्यांना काही फरक पडत नाही. रिंग डिॲक्टिवेट असो नसो ते रिॲक्शन देतात. इलेक्ट्रोफाईल सच ॲज SO3, NO2 and पॉझिटिव्ह हॅलोजन. ठीक आहे, समजलं हे. आता दुसरं तुमचं काय अनदर युअर यू कॅन से दॅट लिमिटेशन. अनदर लिमिटेशन और ड्रॉबॅक इज aryl halide cannot be used in place of alkyl halide in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. For example, let me show you that. आता तुम्हाला वाटलं आता काय तुमचा आदित्य आहे ना रे, आदित्य ऐश्वर्या, अजून काय ना ते पोरांची नावं, आदित्य ऐश्वर्या आणि प्रतीक्षा बरोबर. आदित्य ऐश्वर्या तुम्हाला वाटलं की सर आम्हाला रिॲक्शन करायची आहे, आम्हाला बेन्झिन घ्यायचं आहे आणि अल्काइल हलाइड आहे ना, अल्काइल हलाइडच्या ऐवजी आम्हाला अराइल हलाइड घ्यायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही सांगितलं की सर आम्हाला हा अराईल हलाईड पाहिजे, अराईल हलाईड. ठीक आहे. AlBr3 तुम्ही सांगितलं आम्हाला ब्रोमिनेशन रिएक्शन करायची. ठीक आहे, AlBr3. So what happen? This reaction does not takes place. Reaction हा पण हलाईड आहे बरोबर, पण हा अराईल हलाईड आहे, हा अल्काइल नाही आहे. दिस halide is attached to aromatic ring. It's a aryl halide. So aryl halide cannot be used in place of alkyl halide in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. No reaction will takes place. No reaction will takes place. No reaction will takes place. ठीक आहे, रिॲक्शन होणारच नाही बरोबर. आणि रिझन काय आहे तुमचं, काय तुम्हाला हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणार बरोबर. बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला रिंगवरती पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असणार बरोबर, आणि असा इलेक्ट्रोफाईल जनरेट होतच नाही. बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर हा बॉन्ड ब्रेकच होत नाही, पहिलीच गोष्ट बरोबर. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला इलेक्ट्रोफाईल मिळत नाही आणि रिॲक्शन पण जात नाही. सो द रिॲक्शन कॅन नॉट बी टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, कॅन नॉट टेक्स प्लेस when you are using aryl halide in place of alkyl halide. ठीक आहे, समजलं. तुम्ही अराईल हलाईड सोबत रिॲक्शन करू शकत नाही. यू कांट व्हॉट रन द रिॲक्शन इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ अराईल हलाईड. फॉर अल्कायलेशन यू हॅव टू यूज अल्काइल हलाईड. ओके, रिॲक्शन विल नॉट टेक्स प्लेस इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ अराईल हलाईड. Do you understand this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt regarding this? तुमची एक्झाम कधी रे? उद्यापासून तर कधीपर्यंत?
13 March.
उद्यापासून तर कधीपर्यंत आहे? 18 का? मग तुम्ही
15, 17, 18.
आणि एका दिवशी किती पेपर आहेत?
दोन पेपर आहेत.
मग तुम्ही सोमवार, मंगळवार, बुधवार लेक्चर करणार नाही वाटतं बरोबर ना?
हा सर, 15 to 18.
अभ्यास करणार ना? ठीक
हो
आहे.
सर.
ओके, एनी डाऊट रिगार्डिंग दिस? आपण कंप्लीट करायचं का काय करायचं? काय ते थांबायचं? थांबूया ना? ठीक आहे.
थांबत.
ओके ओके. सो विल
सर, आतापर्यंत ॲरोमॅटिसिटी मध्ये जे काही झालं ते सगळं असणार युनिट टेस्ट ना?